Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have 2 feet wide plantation area in the front, and we have sliding door for access the living area. If we go inside, so we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and TV unit on the front wall. And we have two large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the left side, so we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and a dining counter with 3 chairs and 3 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So in the center we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom and a wash basin here. And if we go on the left side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.